galloping everywhere like an idiot. Get over rock. Saboteur. Wait. Saboteur. Yeah, saboteur. Saboteur. Ooh, look, there's stuff everywhere. Crappy crap. Dang. Here and everywhere. There are bridges. I have an idea. Oh, yeah. I don't know if it's a good idea, but like frick it, I guess. Well, here's the bridge. I don't feel like I should go on this side. Who knows what's there? No. I just don't have the courage in me. But I do have the courage to follow this stream. Onward we go. Dang. Hey, look, it's a rusty ass bucket. There's a particularly bounceable. Let's see, I'm gonna do the conga. My backpack. Up, I'm done. I'm going back home. Go on and get. Oh, yeah. This took save me, Branches. Good job, Branches. You saved me from okay. There, the Branches saved me. Thank you, Branches. I'll give you something once I'm done. Thank good. Kick. I missed. This is all draining. I was lucky there was no spiders or snakes. Otherwise, I would have been dead meat. And I have 15 subscribers now, so like let's let's get the fuck frick back up. Oh, there are cute little kitties here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. There are 4 of you. What are you looking at? You two. Wait. I just saw one go there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Make that 5. Ah, dang it. Ah, dang. You all. We all float down here. This is where we all float. Well, this is my last time, so I was gonna say this. Good, yeah!